Hi! Okay na ikaw diha? Pipi. Kaabot ang hangin sa diri. How are you there?
This one every time is too much stress.
Hello, baby. Hello.
Yeah, we first take that.
Hey, baby.
Oh, not stressing. She might get little the cats, slightly high fever, sleeping more than the normal. She will be okay within 2 days. Just don't stress her out. Okay?
Yeah.
Then it's not allowed to have any grooming session for 1 week.
Yeah.
What was the weight?
So she's not overweight anymore, yeah?
Yeah.
She's no longer at her age.
She's still at least 4.4.
She's 3.
4 kg is okay.
So it should go down to 4 kg exact.
She's still chubby. See?
Oh, I want her chubby. That's why.
You went chubby after you pay back the money to take all that yummy away for the liver. They get infected.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm trying to lose her weight. Yeah.
You done?
Yeah, thank you, Doki.